The nature of complex networks provides a systematic introduction to the statistical mechanics of complex networks and the different theoretical achievements in the field that are now finding strands in common. The book presents a wide range of networks and the processes taking place on them, including recently developed directions, methods, and techniques. It assumes a statistical mechanics view of random networks based on the concept of statistical ensembles, but also features the approaches and methods of modern random graph theory and their overlaps with statistical physics.